Search on for missing 14-year-old and baby. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An another alert has been activated for a 14-year-old Cameka Brown of Brixton Hill District, Mocha Clarendon, who has been missing since Thursday, January 11th. She is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 154 centimeters, or 5 feet 1 inch tall. Reports from the Mocha police are that at about 9 a.m., Cameka was last seen at home leaving for school with her baby, wearing a white uniform blouse and black skirt. All efforts to contact her since then have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Cameka Brown is being asked to contact the Mocha police at 876-833-6154, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.